Okay. Little kiosks where you have to tap or insert your credit card to enter. So you're just here to take care of all the stocking and stuff?
Basically.
How do you pay?
So whenever you swipe your card at the front,
it puts like a hold on it.
Yeah, it'll take a dollar and then it'll read whatever you pick up, and when you walk out, it'll charge you.
Just as I'm walking by.
Yeah, so you see all these little, those are all cameras.
Right.
So whenever, we have our system set up to where it knows where each individual item is inside the store.
Nice.
And then so whenever you pick it up, it reads where that item was, and I'll charge you for it. You'll see like a dollar hold from Amazon, because the store's run by the Amazon cameras. And then whenever, it usually takes about 20 minutes, but it could take up to 2 hours. You'll see that charge on there from Amazon.
Unless there's other stuff that I pick up and purchase.
Yep. Now the key point is like if you were to pick these up and put them right here, it would still charge you for it because it didn't see you put exactly where you found it.
Oh, okay, good, because I picked up the strawberry shortcakes over there and put them back in the same spot.
So you shouldn't get charged for it.
So this is going to automatically know what I've got and how much they are. Just walking through the thing. Okie doke. Thanks. Has everything they have at a regular quick strip with the exception of tobacco products, nor did I see any gas pumps.